Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the MS project file and the Excel workbook you'll link. Do that now. Once both are open, make sure edits and macros are enabled so data can flow. You need matching date and regional settings to avoid shifted dates, so check those in Project and Excel. Also, ensure you have right permission for both files or for the shared folder. Without it, links fail. This setup speeds the link process and prevents common errors when you start importing fields. Now create an export map in MS Project. Choose File, Export, Save Project as File, then Excel Workbook. When the wizard opens, pick a new map and map the fields you need. Task ID, name, start, finish, % complete, and any custom fields, because this controls how data appears in Excel. Once the map is set, export to create a structured table in Excel. This table becomes the source for linking. By defining fields explicitly, you avoid mismatches and make future updates predictable and clean. Finally, in Excel, turn the exported table into a query. Select it, then Get Data from Table/Range. Load the query to the sheet and enable Refresh on File Open. To update, re-export from Project using the same map, then refresh the Excel query. You'll see changes flow in. If you get blank cells or shifted dates, make sure the export map matches fields exactly and that regional/date settings align. As a key tip, always test with a small change, refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.